What's up, guys and gals? I'm Brian, the Mobile Mamoth, Onnit-certified coach, and today I'm going to be taking you through some of my favorite mobility drills to do before our calisthenics workout. Even though you're training with body weight alone, it still pays to warm up beforehand with some mobility exercises. And obviously, as the Mammoth, I love mobility exercises. So I'm going to be showing you some drills that prepare your body to move, as well as access ranges of motion that you may not have access to if you just started training cold. So I want you to do the following for 2 to 5 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions per. Sense, feel, and use. And what that means is we want to sense the environment around us, feel what you feel, connect with your body, and then use that to complete the exercise. So when in doubt, we breathe, and remember, sense, feel, and use. First up today, lateral squat to T-spine. Lunge out to your left side and lower your body until your left leg is bent at about a 90-degree angle, and your trailing leg is straight. Hold there for a moment, and then reverse the motion, twisting your body to get into a lunge position on the right leg facing that same direction. Plant your left hand on the floor and then twist your torso to the right, reaching your right hand overhead. Repeat the entire movement, then on the opposite side. Adductor to T-spine. Get on all fours and extend your right leg to the right side. Use your hands to gently push your hips back so you feel a stretch on the inside of the right thigh. Allow your foot to roll backward and point upward so you can prep the joint for the movement as well. Push your hips forward again and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm overhead. Complete your reps and then repeat on the opposite side. Mountain climber, hip flexor to hamstring. Get on all fours and then step your left foot forward, planting your foot outside your left hand. Try to straighten your back so it's a flat back from head to the pelvis. Nice straight line. Relax and reach back to grasp the top of your right foot. Gently pull it forward so you feel a stretch on the right thigh and the hip. At the same time, so that you feel stable and safe, extend your back and use your left hand to push on your left knee, so you'll end up in a tall kneeling position. Hold the stretch for a moment, breathe, sense, feel, use. Remember the mantra. And then let your right foot go. Repeat that movement on the opposite side and avoid hyperextending your low back when you pull up on that foot. Remember, this is a hip flexor mobility exercise, not a lower back. So keep it straight. Use the coupon code GETONNIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain on Onnit.com. Now, let's get back to the video. Shinbox to extension. Sit on the floor with your left leg bent in front of you and your right leg bent behind you. Press your hands into the floor and push your chest up and out. Proud chest. Now rotate your right leg up off the floor as you rotate simultaneously left leg up and to the right, so that your body turns and you end up in the same starting position, but with your legs opposite. From there, extend through the hips, not the lower back, so that you rise to a tall kneeling position. Finally, lower your hips back to the floor under control. That's a key point, team. You're either gonna feel glutes or your lower back. So go slow, sense, feel, use. Plant your hands and repeat that movement to the other side. Always remember, put yourself in a position that feels good for you. Everyone's a little different. So, as a general rule of thumb with all of our mobility exercises, if it feels sketchy, it's probably sketchy. So do what's right for you. All right, Mammoths, thanks for watching. If you want to find me, I'm on Instagram at the Mobile Mamoth. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want more calisthenics workouts like this and want to see the full article, click the link below.